Meaning of exclusive.
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 Exclusive. Exclusive means limited or restricted to only a particular person, group, or thing. It denotes an arrangement where one has the sole right or access to something that no one else can use or avail. This term can be applied in various domains such as business, fashion, sports, entertainment, and so on. For example, exclusive products or services are often high-end and expensive, with a target audience that is affluent and privileged. In summary, exclusive implies something that is rare, unique, and not easily accessible to the general public.